Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share my review of the Credit Karma budgeting tools and how they work to help you manage your money better. Credit Karma isn't just about your credit score. It also offers budgeting features that let you track your income, expenses, and savings goals in one place. When you connect your accounts, Credit Karma automatically categorizes your transactions so you can see where your money is going each month. One of the best things about the Credit Karma budgeting tool is how easy it is to set up. Once you link your bank accounts and credit cards, the app organizes your spending into categories like groceries, bills, and entertainment. You can customize these categories and even set limits so you know when you're close to overspending. The dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of your monthly cash flow, including how much you spent and how much you saved. Seeing all of your financial activity in one place makes it easier to make decisions and stay on track with your money goals. That said, the budgeting feature isn't as advanced as some dedicated budgeting apps. You won't find complex features like automatic bill tracking or envelope budgeting systems, and sometimes the categories need manual adjustments if transactions are misclassified. Overall, Credit Karma's budgeting tools are solid for a free app, and great if you want a simple way to visualize your spending alongside your credit information. It's not the most powerful budgeting platform out there, but it's convenient, especially if you already use Credit Karma for credit monitoring. If you've tried Credit Karma's budgeting tools, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if this review helped you, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.